Alright guys, so this one is about the track module. So obviously the one for the X3 it's not compatible, they say. But if I would have got like the newer years, because I believe now it's one module for everything. Don't take my 100% words. 715006266 is supposed to be for this one. But guess what? These are 135 Canadian. I paid a little bit more because these are back ordered till after Christmas. So I found a dealer that had one and paid express shipping to get it here in 3 days and paid full retail. Yeah, fun. So anyways, we got this. And the thing is, also, it's married to the vehicle that it's plugged in. So let's say you take the tracks off and you want to sell it to Buddy or whatever, and you tell him I got the module. Well, he's got to go to the dealer, have him plug it in, and reset it, flash it to factory. So once you hook it up to one vehicle, it's married to that vehicle. So I don't know, eh? Can-Am's pretty smart to, what the hell is this so hard? Okay, so simple. So then you come, pop the hood, and then you pop this thing out of its hole, and then you plug this into this, and here's the click, and then you just put this one back to, and now that's your OB2 sensor port, whatever what you want to call it. Now I got to find a place to call this home. I don't know where I should put it to be home, because with the smart module there and everything here, it's they could have gave it a little longer wire, but I guess we'll tuck it in underneath the hood light. But I'm getting two more lights here. Well, one it's going to be LED bumper. Thank God it's in the front. It won't affect it, because I'm putting the bumper LED on there. And okay, so hopefully that works. And now, oh, it should stay snug. I felt some pressure there when I was pushing it. So now we're looking for, I believe, some tracks. Let's turn some light on in here. In this little screen. Oh, let me turn the key on. All right, in this little screen, there's, oh, there we go. It's already there. I just turn it on, and it says hold menu. Okay, so let's hold the menu button to confirm that the tracks are in. That's the menu. Installed. Hold the menu. What the hell? Is it S that's the menu? There we go. Trail. Sports mode. Why would it do that? Oh, it's doing the sequence. Okay, it's checking everything out. It should check the power steering as well. Because it did that on my X3. It showed power steering, showed everything. So now, okay, let's turn this thing off. And now it should recognize, like I got the little tracks there all the time now. It's blacked out, but I'm waiting for it to turn off. No, I won't. Let's fire it up then. The hell with it. Okay. So now my tracks, yeah, I can turn the power steering stronger. And now the reading for the speedometer should be okay. Yeah. So the little tracks have appeared. So as you can see, right there, little tracks. So I'm set. As simple as that. Just plug it in, turn on the key, and then it's going to do his little sequence thing there, showing like whatever smart and all that. Because you want it, the best way that I found to ride with tracks, don't lock the front end, keep the back end locked so you get both ones, and in front play with the smart diff. The smart diff will just activate, and when you turn to one side will grip more, one side will grip more. It'll be like a front wheel drive car that's got like whatever. So I find that that's what works best. And we'll stop this thing before we gas ourselves out in the garage. So that's it for the video for the module. So that's an easy fix, an easy install. And thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. I just wanted to clarify that because you do need the module to I told them like, what's the difference if I don't have it? Like maybe my power steering won't be as strong and then my speedometer will be off. They said, no, your odometer is gonna go up twice as fast. So if you use it all winter and you put 1,000 miles on it or 1,000 kilometers or whatever, you only had 500 kilometers, you're gonna double your mileage in no time. So you're gonna end up, if you do that every year, you're gonna have thousands and thousands of kilometers or miles, depending on how much mileage you do, extra. I said, okay, so I'll put it on. So that's what I did. So anyways, another sticker to the collection. So get you on the next one. Be safe, guys. Hope this helps. Hope this simplifies everything. Looks good, eh? Jeez. I think I'm gonna call this my little skater. It's a skater. Yeah. Let's go in the bush. Bye for now. Be safe, guys, on the trail.